Anytime you have to write an equation of a line, a really good place to start is just with a good old generic y equals mx plus b. And generally speaking, the first thing you want to find in that equation is m, the slope. To get the slope, we can use the derivative equation, because derivative is really just a synonym for slope. So to get the slope of the curve at this particular moment in time, you can plug 4 into the derivative equation. So slope is h prime of 4. If you plug 4 into h prime, you get 4 squared minus 2 over x is 4. 14 over 4 is 7 over 2. Now we've got our slope. The next thing we need to find is b. One way to get b is to plug in coordinates for x and y and plug in the slope that you now know, because then you'll know 3 of the 4 unknowns and be able to solve for the unknown that you don't have. So for y, I'm going to sub in the y coordinate of some point that this graph goes through. Well, this graph goes through the point 4, -3. That's what this is saying. So -3 is the y coordinate. 7/2 goes in for the slope. +4 is the x coordinate. And we can get b from there by doing algebra. 7/2 times 4, I'll call it 4 over 1. That's 28 over 2. 28 over 2 is 14. Subtracting away the 14 from both sides gives you -17 for b. And putting it all together now, instead of y equals mx plus b, we can say y equals m 7/2 x plus b is -17.